Cantonese dim sum culture began in tea rooms in the latter half of the 19th century. Silk Road travelers and traders would take breaks in tea houses for a dim sum meal. Fast forward to today, dim sum includes dishes and traditions adopted from many regions of China, and now it's even made vegan. I'm Eunice, and today I'm visiting Iron Teapot Dim Sum in Los Angeles, and I'm going to share all about their delicious vegan dim sum. So let's check it out. Okay, you guys, I am so excited to be here at Iron Dim Sum in Los Angeles in the Culver City area for vegan dim sum. This is something you don't typically see often. For those of you that don't know, dim sum is a Cantonese style of eating, and it's essentially kind of like a brunch tapas style, if you will, of eating. So there's always a different variation, and as a vegan, you always think you have to miss out because it tends to be very meat heavy, but here they veganize a ton of stuff. So let me tell you some of the iconic dishes. So here we have hagow. They have a vegan shrimp one, and they also have a mushroom one. What makes these two very special is that the dumpling wrapper looks a little translucent, so that's how you know it's hagow. We have the lor magai, which are like leaf wrapped like rice, and like the Salvadorian meat. The first time I ever had these at a different restaurant, I was like, me and my cousin were like, oh my gosh, they look like tamales. So that's how I associated with them. I can't wait to dig into this. Then of course we have the iconic xiao. So this is the soup dumplings, and the reason they're red is because they have made the color with beetroot, but it's stuffed with mushrooms and tofu and served with ginger, which is amazing. You gotta have Chinese broccoli, and they have a vegan oyster sauce, and then ham soy guk. This is something I've never had before. It's like a fried rice, like dumpling kind of thing, so I'm just super excited to have that. And then they have the char siu baos. They have a barbecue pork in there, but vegan of course, and I of course couldn't resist and got a vegan fish that's pan-seared. So as you can see, we have a full spread. They also have vegan shumai, but it's just so popular that they're sold out today. So unfortunately, I can't try that, but I feel like I have plenty of other amazing things to try. Okay, so of course you gotta start with tea. They have a plethora of tea. I mean, dim sum kind of originated in tea houses, right? So, gotta start with the tea. This one I got is oolong. I love oolong tea, so cheers. All right, but now let's get to the real business here. I am starving and excited to try all this. So I'm starting with the hagow. This is the one with the vegan shrimp. I got my soy sauce and vinegar here and a little chili oil. That is so flavorful and delicious. It has this, like, it's not too chewy, it's not too soft, it's perfect consistency, it's flavorful. All right, let's move on. Let me get some greens. Let's move on to greens because don't forget to eat your greens, guys. Yes, I just love that they have vegan oyster sauce, so you don't have to miss out on any flavors. All the ethnic traditional flavors are here, and you can just enjoy, guys. Okay, xiao. Because it's not often, again, that you get vegan soup dumplings. These are veggies and tofu. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna bite into it, see some soup comes out. It is actually soupy inside. It's really nice. Flavor is really good. Okay, I've been eyeing these because, again, crispy rice stuff. They're almost like Chinese empanadas. Forgive me for making comparisons with my Latina self, but okay, trying these. I'm gonna add a little chili oil because, you know, everything tastes better with chili oil. These are a must try. These are so good. It's kind of like the Chinese donut. If you ever had it, the dough, it's like very airy and light and crispy and highly recommend. Okay, vegan seared fish, you guys. I'm not sure what this is made out of, but I appreciate the innovative thought to it. Let's try it. That is really good. I'm not gonna say it tastes like fish. You can tell it's like a vegan meat, but it's delicious. Like I like it a lot. I can always appreciate a good char siu vegan barbecue bun. So yeah, you best believe I got this. The dough is just so airy and fluffy and just, oh. Oh yeah. You guys, everything here is 10 out of 10. It's just absolutely delicious. Like nothing's lacking in flavor. Like, this is a perfect place to come to share with friends, to try literally everything. Okay, I'm gonna open up the Lord My Guy really quick. All right, let's try this. You know what this tastes like? If you guys like congee, it's almost if congee was in this sticky rice wrapped like form. That's what this tastes like. It's so flavorful. It's just so good and like heartwarming. Last but not least, we're trying the shiitake mushroom hagow. Because you know me, I gotta try a little bit of everything. It is so good. Like honestly, you can't go wrong. Everything's delicious. I would love to hear what you guys think if you come here. You cannot leave this place without trying dessert, you guys. They have a bunch of cute little dumplings here. So this is a red bean dessert and it looks like a little ducky. They also have a taro one that looks like a little piggy, but they're out of that one. Again, popular, you guys. The vegan stuff is popular. Okay, so this is almost too cute to want to eat it, but I'm going to try it anyways. Okay. The bread is definitely spongy. Red bean, if you've never had it, it's like this sweet and savory. It's more on the sweeter side. This though, I've never had this. This is almost like a rice cake and it has sugar on top. It looks very spongy. All right, okay. I really like that. I would have never ordered that, but I think I definitely like this one more. I love the texture. It is more on like the gelatinous side and spongy. It's really good. Again, you guys, if you're ever in LA, I highly, highly encourage you to bring a group. Come to Iron Teapot Dim Sum. Just have a feast. Vegan dim sum feast. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know what other places you want to see next. And you can watch more videos up here, and I'll catch you next time on Ready to Be. Bye.